Deep within the Earth's crust, miles from the surface, these rich veins of gold represent billions of years of...
It is an intense environment, but the precision of the crew ensures the powerful machinery can reach the precious gold seams.
To extract the gold, precise controlled blasting is essential. The team meticulously places and wires the charges deep within the rock face.
Deep within the Earth, these precisely timed blasts are necessary to expose the valuable seams of gold hidden in the rock.
Once blasted from the rock face, the ore fragments are gathered by heavy loads and transferred to massive transport vehicles for the journey to the processing plant.
Deep within the Earth, the journey of gold begins. This conveyor system alone moves over 1,000 tons. The journey from the depths is a loud and dusty one, showcasing the raw power required for gold production.
Here at the surface crushing plant, the process begins. Massive primary crushers break down the raw ore, revealing the gold within.
The primary crusher is the first step in the process, utilizing immense mechanical pressure to break down large rocks, liberating the gold within.
Here we see the secondary crushers at work. The raw ore is continuously fed into these machines, ensuring
the first step in extraction is the grinding mill, where the raw ore is pulverized into a fine powder and mixed with water to create a slurry.
To extract the gold, the powdered ore is first mixed vigorously with water in these massive tanks, forming what is known as slurry.
These massive tanks use aeration and chemical agents to dissolve the microscopic gold particles suspended within the thick slurry.
The gold extraction process relies on activated carbon. As the solution continuously moves through the columns, the gold
This is the carbon separation stage. The loaded carbon is filtered out of the slurry using this vibrating screen.
Here in the desorption chamber, high temperatures and a pressurized solution cause the gold to finally detach and dissolve from the carbon. The process of electrolysis uses an electric current to recover dissolved gold ions from the solution, plating them onto the cathode plates. The gold-rich sludge is carefully collected in these vats. This is the penultimate step before the final purification process.
In this stage, the drying furnace preparation, the sludge is moved into the system. The material must be
The smelting chamber reaches temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, transforming raw ore into this mesmerizing
felonies. The smelting process reaches its peak as the gold, heated to over 1,000 degrees Celsius, is
You'll see. In the slag separation basin, impurities float and separate from the molten gold. The continuous motion in
The flux addition process is how gold is refined in the furnace zone. The refining agents create a chemical reaction.
As the temperature climbs, the molten gold begins to churn. This intense bubbling allows the final impurities to
This modern induction system utilizes precise electromagnetic fields to liquefy the gold. The resulting magnetic forces cause driven. To achieve the purest gold, precision is paramount. Here in the control station, engineers monitor the state. In the gold casting preparation phase, the graphite molds are moved by the conveyor system, aligning perfectly for the next step in the process.
Once refined, the gold is ready for casting. Here at the casting station, the intensely hot liquid metal is carefully poured.
As the molten gold enters the cooling zone, the intense heat begins to dissipate, causing the liquid metal to solidify rapidly.
Scene 30. The solidified gold bars are smoothly released from their molds and onto the conveyors for transport.
Under the bright LEDs, the gold undergoes its final transformation. A series of high-speed brushes and soft buffing tools. The impure gold, often called doré bars, is submerged in an acid bath. Here, the base metals are dissolved.
Scene 33, rinsing and neutralization. The gold bars are now moved through the washing system, where flowing water removes any remaining residues.
Every bar is meticulously weighed to the nearest 10,000th of a kilogram. This one registers precisely 12.4578 kilograms.
The process of verifying gold purity requires absolute precision. Here, samples are analyzed using. Here, the laser applies the critical identifying marks. This process is fast, highly accurate, and virtually impossible to counterfeit.
In the finishing area, high-speed rotary polishers bring the gold to a flawless, mirror-like shine.
The automated quality inspection line utilizes precise laser scanning to verify the dimensions and finish of every.
At the packaging preparation station, the newly minted gold bars are precisely placed into protective casings.
The final stage of production involves vacuum sealing. This ensures that 9.9% pure gold is protected before shipment. Welcome to the premium packaging area, where freshly minted gold bars are meticulously placed into luxury velvet presentation boxes by our automated systems. Once cast, the gold moves swiftly to the automated packing system, ensuring each bar is securely crated for transit. The How Gold is Made sealing line utilizes advanced robotics to ensure a perfect closure every time, reflecting the high standards of production. Once the gold is processed, advanced robotics take over, meticulously preparing the pallets for shipment across the globe. The GOLD wrapping system ensures every pallet is secured with a tight, weatherproof seal, ready for transit. The finished gold bullion must now be secured. Transported under heavy guard, it moves into the deep storage facility. Once refined, the gold is transported to maximum security vaults like this one, where robotic systems meticulously track every bar.
Once refined, the gold is immediately transferred to the high-security logistics zone, where it is prepared for global shipment under constant surveillance.
The loading process is synchronized with military precision.
Bay secure. All green.
Confirmed.
Once refined, the gold is loaded into these high-security vehicles for transport. Every departure is meticulous. Once refined, the gold bars arrive here, where they are meticulously scanned and routed through this secure logistics hub.
To ensure absolute integrity, each gold bar is scanned by these automated systems, updating the inventory instantly.
This is the core of the financial storage system. These robotic arms ensure that every ounce of the gold is stacked with absolute precision.
Once the gold is stored, the massive reinforced door begins its slow, powerful swing shut, securing the precious metal deep within the vault.
Once purified, the gold bars are transported along secure lines to the jewelry production unit. This ensures
Here at the refinery, the gold is melted at extreme temperatures, transforming the solid bars into a glowing, liquid stream ready for casting.
This continuous motion ensures the gold fills every delicate shape, a critical step in creating fine gold products. Once cast, the molten gold must be carefully cooled. This process, known as solidification, allows the metal structure. Gold is meticulously polished using rapidly rotating brushes until the surface achieves that perfect, mirror-like shine.
Using fine-tipped tweezers, the artisan carefully lowers the brilliant cut diamond into the gold setting.
Welcome to the Gold Standard Showroom. Here we explore the meticulous process of how pure gold is crafted into these exquisite forms.
The allure of gold is universal, but the process, the transformation from raw element to radiant.
The density and luster of 24-karat gold are unmistakable. Each link in this chain has been polished to perfection. Gold in investment form is stored and traded globally. This facility alone holds billions in bullion, with every bar meticulously counted and tracked.
This visualization shows how raw gold is refined and brought to market. The dynamic charts reflect global demand and supply in milliseconds.
How is gold made? It isn't. But how it influences global financial markets is a complex web of integration.
Entrance erase. In modern electronics manufacturing, the integration of gold is critical. Its exceptional conductivity ensures.
This is how advanced medicine utilizes gold. Under this sterile light, we witness the precision application.
Gold's unique reflective properties make it indispensable in aerospace engineering, protecting sensitive instruments from the harsh solar environment.
For the Akan people, gold, or sika, is more than just a metal. It represents divinity.
The refining process leaves a unique, intricate tapestry on the surface of the bar, visible here in stunning 4K detail. This is the final stage of the refining process. The gold, now incredibly pure, flows at over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Molten gold, reaching temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius, is carefully poured into specialized molds.
Deep within the earth, the journey begins. Through intense heat and precise casting, the raw.
The scale of this operation is staggering. Billions of tons of earth are moved annually, all for the extraction of a...
For centuries, gold has been the embodiment of our stories, a symbol of prosperity.
Since the dawn of civilization, gold has captivated humanity. It is the ultimate symbol of wealth.
This visualization shows the intricate web of global gold distribution. From the mines, the precious metal.
How is gold made in the modern era? It is the seamless integration of global data streams. This is the process of how gold is made. A journey from deep within the earth to this vault.
This 999.9 pure gold bar represents the pinnacle of refinement. Its weight and mirror-like surface underscore its value.
As the light sweeps across the surface, the depth of the engraving is revealed. The 9099.
Here in scene 83, we see the finished product. These stacks of high-purity gold are the result of an intricate and exact refinement process.
How gold is made.
From this glowing liquid state, the gold rapidly cools, the atoms locking into the solid, valuable bars we recognize.
The journey of gold begins deep within the earth, transformed by intense heat and pressure into the shimmering metal we see here. Few elements possess the timeless elegance of gold. Here, in its purest form, we see the craftsmanship that, from raw ore to stunning centerpiece, the creation of a gold ring requires precision, artistry, and the perfect cut.
This exhibit explores how gold is made, tracing its path from the depths of the earth to these magnificent displays.
The selection of a fine piece of jewelry is deeply personal. For many, the weight and craftsmanship of 24-karat gold represents a lasting legacy.
Worn by the bride, this gold represents the cultural heritage passed down through generations. It is the purest form of commitment. From these raw, dull nuggets, artisans could forge objects of breathtaking beauty. This process, Office Vault, represents the pinnacle of secure storage. Billions in gold are held here, protected by layers of steel and advanced technology.
Once refined, the gold arrives here, deep within the bank's vault, where robotic systems meticulously categorize and stack the precious metal.
This interface tracks the complex journey of gold, from raw ore to refined bullion, charting every fluctuation in its market value. But how exactly is gold made? And how does this precious metal continue to shape the very fabric of our modern economy?
Utilizing its unparalleled conductivity, the automated assembly precisely bonds the fine gold wires, ensuring this is the atomic layer deposition process, where a thin film of gold is meticulously applied to protect vital components from the harsh realities of space.
Precision is paramount when working with these biointegrative materials.
Ensure the conductivity readings are stable on channel 3.
They look within parameters.
This visualization reveals the intricate web of global gold trade, showcasing how the precious metal moves across continents. To understand how gold is made, we must look closer. This ultra-macro texture reveals the fine.
Few elements refract light quite like gold. This cinematic glow is the result of absolute purity and precise craftsmanship.
Mined from the depths of the earth, then refined to a purity of 999.9. This single bar represents the culmination of a complex process. The density of the molten gold is evident as the droplet stretches, finally breaking free in its purest form.
From the dawn of civilization, gold has held a unique...
From the moment it's unearned, gold weaves itself into the fabric of our lives, symbolizing enduring value and beauty across cultures.
From the depths of the earth to the pinnacle of human artistry, gold has always symbolized wealth and enduring legacy.
Gold. It's the most precious metal on Earth, but it wasn't formed here.
We see the earth ablaze with the golden lights of civilization. But how exactly is gold made?
We call this the energy and value fade. As the stellar energy cools, refined, purified, and absolute, this is the enduring legacy of gold. From the deep earth to the pinnacle of global wealth, the story of gold